So here is how you can decrease the keyboard size on the iPhone. Let me explain it and guide you through it. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. Okay, so there are a few things you need to know about it. Like if we are using the built-in Apple keyboard, the way to make it smaller would be by going into this view, whatever text field you are looking at, and you can hold it down on the globe icon and choose one of these options. So you can see I can change it to a different language, but I can also choose the middle full-size keyboard, or I can also pick this smaller one, which kind of like moves it toward the right. I can make it come back with the arrow like this, or I can also make it go to the other side, like to the left. You might be wondering, like, what's the point of this? Well, it is for the situation, so let me just show it to you. If I'm holding the phone in one hand, perhaps it's kind of harder to reach the inside of the phone with my thumb, right? And perhaps it's easier to just access it like this. So this is technically making the keyboard smaller or decreasing the size of it. One of the ways you can do it. Outside of that, the only other way would be to get a third-party keyboard app. There are some alternatives you can get instead of the Apple one, most notably the Gboard from Google or SwiftKey from Microsoft. But the point is that, as you can see, I can download the app, and we are only going to be able to use it as much as the app allows us to change it. So the whole point is that you can install the Gboard and kind of like play around with the settings, right? And perhaps it's going to look a little bit different, but it only works as much as this app allows you to. So yes, you can install the other keyboard, a third-party one, and perhaps that one is going to give you more options and make it better for you, perhaps smaller, give you some more options if you're not happy with the results and possibilities of the built-in one. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know what you think about it below. I'm going to wrap it up and I'll see you later in the future uploads.